Hi there! Today we'll show you just how easy and straightforward it is to create a file backup using AhsayOBM on Windows. Whether you want to protect your personal documents, photos, videos, or any other important files, Ahsay guarantees that all your data is 100% secure and always recoverable. If you're interested in learning how to protect your important data, let's go to my screen and get started. To start with, open AhsayOBM. Enter your credentials to log in. Before being able to do a backup job, you'll need to create a backup set first. Click Backup Sets. Click the plus sign. You may rename your backup set or you can use the default name provided. Keep the default selection for backup set type. Then click Next. It's time to select the folders or files you aim to back up. My Documents is selected by default. To select specific files and folders, unselect this and click on I would like to choose the files to back up. From the Advanced Backup Source window, you'll see local destinations for you to specifically select files and folders you want to back up. Tick off the Show Files checkbox so files will appear. Then select the files and/or folders you aim to back up. Click OK. Then Next. For Schedule, you may use the default backup schedule provided or click the Add to create a new one. For this, we'll proceed with the default schedule and click Next to continue. For the destination, click the Add button. Select your preferred storage destination. Click OK. Then Next to continue. Now, for encryption, we will use the default setting. Click Next. Keep a copy of your encryption key before clicking Confirm. If you forget or lose your encryption key, you will lose the ability to access and restore your backup data. When the backup set is successfully created, you will see this confirmation page. You now have the option to back up your files right away by clicking Backup Now, or wait for the scheduled backup to start. For this, let's select Backup Now. Once done, you'll see under the progress bar that the backup has been completed successfully. And that is how to back up your files using AhsayOBM on Windows. Very quick and easy. Our backup solution provides a simple yet effective way to ensure the safety and security of your important files, whether they are personal documents, photos, videos, or any other data. Start backing up your files now with Ahsay for guaranteed protection against all types of data loss, including data corruption, human error, malicious employees, ransomware, and hackers. That's why you should choose Ahsay. Your data is safe with us.